Far too many music lovers today still listen to their favorite vinyl records on outdated or unreliable turntables without realizing how much better their collection could sound. Upgrading your record player can completely transform your listening experience, bringing back the warmth, depth, and emotion that digital music often misses. Whether you're rediscovering classic rock albums or spinning newly pressed vinyl, the right turntable can make all the difference. So today, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best turntables available on Amazon in 2025. Each of these models combines beautiful craftsmanship, modern technology, and exceptional sound quality. But first, remember, if you decide to get one, check the links below for the latest discounts. Let's get started. Starting with the Victrola. The Quincy 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player and multimedia center, this is not just a turntable. It's a complete entertainment hub. With its rich mahogany wood finish and vintage design, the Quincy brings old-school elegance to any room. But beneath that classic exterior lies a powerhouse of features. It offers a 3-speed turntable, CD and cassette player, AM/FM radio, and Bluetooth streaming, giving you everything you need for both analog and digital music. The built-in speakers are crisp and balanced, producing surprisingly rich audio for an all-in-one system. The ability to switch effortlessly from vinyl to radio or Bluetooth makes this Victrola a perfect choice for families or anyone who wants versatility in their home audio setup. It's the ideal blend of nostalgia and modern convenience, proving that true style never goes out of fashion. Next, the Sevia record player vintage turntable brings a touch of retro charm to your music experience. This model is all about simplicity, style, and great sound. With built-in speakers and Bluetooth connectivity, it's ready to play both your vintage records and your favorite digital playlists. The Sevia design is clean and compact, with a wood-grain finish that fits beautifully into modern living spaces. What sets it apart is its ability to deliver warm, analog sound without the need for external speakers. It's perfect for beginners just entering the world of vinyl, or for those who want a nostalgic music setup without spending too much. The craftsmanship and design feel authentic, giving you that timeless retro vibe combined with today's technology. Moving up, the Perron record player vintage turntable takes the classic look a step further, offering a stunning wood walnut finish that adds a sophisticated touch to any home. This turntable comes with built-in stereo speakers and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can enjoy wireless music streaming as well as your favorite records. Its build quality is excellent, giving it a solid premium feel. The sound reproduction is clean and natural, with a warmth that truly does justice to the analog format. Whether you're playing soft jazz, classic rock, or modern pop, the Perron turntable captures every note with precision. It's a great option for those who appreciate beautiful design and smooth sound in one elegant package. If you're looking for a more professional and high-fidelity setup, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBK fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable is one of the best options available. This is a model built for true audiophiles who want reliable, top-tier sound quality without unnecessary complexity. With its fully automatic operation, you just press play and let it do the rest. No manual tone arm adjustment required. The die-cast aluminum platter and anti-resonance design help reduce vibration, delivering a cleaner, more stable playback. The sound clarity on this model is outstanding, capturing every detail from your vinyl collection. Audio-Technica is a trusted name in professional audio equipment, and this turntable is proof of their commitment to quality. Whether you're digitizing your old vinyls or simply relaxing with your favorite albums, this turntable delivers consistent audiophile-grade performance every time. Finally, we have the 1S vinyl record player, a modern marvel that combines vintage aesthetics with state-of-the-art technology. This all-in-one system includes Bluetooth input and output, allowing you to stream music wirelessly or send audio to your external speakers. It's equipped with a built-in phono preamp, DSP sound processing, and the renowned AT-3600L cartridge, ensuring detailed, distortion-free sound. The walnut wood finish adds a timeless look, while its compact design makes it ideal for smaller spaces. The 1S turntable also supports 33 and 45 RPM speeds, so you can enjoy everything from classic LPS to your latest singles. What makes it stand out is the attention to sound quality and connectivity, giving you a true fusion of analog warmth and digital versatility. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best turntables on Amazon this year. Each of these models delivers something unique. The Victrola Quincy is perfect for those who love multifunctional vintage systems. The Sevia and bring back that retro feel with a touch of modern convenience. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBK is for serious listeners who demand precision and clarity. And the 1S vinyl record player is a dream for anyone who wants both style and advanced technology in one package. No matter which one you choose, you can't go wrong with any of these turntables. They've all been selected based on quality, performance, design, and value for money. Upgrading to one of these players can help you truly appreciate your vinyl collection, from the gentle crackle of the needle to the immersive warmth of analog sound. If you're ready to bring that nostalgic sound into your home, check out the latest prices and deals in the description below. These are some of the best-rated turntables on Amazon right now, and they're all built to give you years of music enjoyment. Thanks for watching, and happy spinning!